In our last episode, tutorial, we did the adding of staff members. So in this one, we are going to add our first learners. So under your learners, you can go to learner management, say add learner. You can go learner first name, we'll go with Harry Potter. His house is blue. He is grade 1, and it'll immediately bring up that Hermione Granger is his teacher, and add students. So here you see grade 1, G, Hermione Granger, and it is easy like that. Then we can go with our next learner. We can go with Ginny, Beasley, and we'll make her a red. This one will go with grade 2. You'll see immediately it says Snape. When you click on there and you say add student. So with the software, how it works is with these learners, for instance, if you edit it and you change this to grade 2, for instance, when you click on the drop down, you can then select grade 2S and it will show immediately. But if it's only grade 1, it'll then only show the grade 1 again. So a nice, quick and easy way to quickly see your learners and all that sort of thing. And also it'll only show the teachers that they have got. And that is your learners. At this stage is quite simple. The future plans are to add in a proper parent management as well. So you can then go into the learner and actually call a parent, get all their parents' information as well. And you can then save the parent information, add it to multiple learners as well. So for now, it is only the learner, but in the future, we'll be adding the parents as well. And that is this one for adding the learners.